Honor X9B just launched before few days ago. Fast refresh rate, curved OLED display, Swiss SGS 5-star drop resistance certifications, 108 megapixel triple camera setup, handy and lightweight in design, huge battery, and many more. Today I am going to show you unboxing and first impression of Honor X9B. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider the subscribing and turning on the notifications by hitting that bell icon. For more amazing tech videos, when you look at the design of the phone, you'll notice a rounded camera module with a golden ring around it, which aims to enhance the phone's premium feel. Additionally, there's also a leather variant available, which I have already unboxed and detailed in a review video. You can find the link in the description below, or it will also be available in the card above, so be sure to check it out. The X9B model comes with a black plastic back, and the frame of the phone is also made of plastic. However, despite the plastic build, the overall grip and experience are quite satisfying. Especially compared to today's flagship phones, this one is quite lightweight. It has a thickness of 7.98 mm and weighs only 185 grams, which is lighter than most flagship phones that tend to be over 200 grams. This makes it feel quite lightweight and handy for users accustomed to heavier devices. Additionally, the phone is Swiss SGS 5-star certified, meaning it's built solidly. You can even check out drop test videos here. Talking about the display of the Honor X9B, it boasts a 6.78-inch curved OLED screen, which provides a vibrant viewing experience. You also get a 1.5K resolution, which is rare in this segment. With the curved screen, it feels premium. It offers a 120Hz refresh rate and a 1920Hz PWM dimming feature. As I mentioned in the leather variant video, the screen comes with 5-fold eye protection features like dynamic dimming technology, hardware-level low blue light display, and automatic brightness adjustment. Overall, you'll experience smoothness and excellent video watching on this device, with good color accuracy as well. While it may not match flagship-level displays, it's arguably the best in its price segment because of its solid performance. The display also features ultra-bounce anti-drop display protection, a feature not found in any other phone in this price range. Talking about performance, the Honor X9B features Samsung's Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 processor built on Samsung's 4nm fabrication process. This ensures smooth performance in daily use, such as using various apps and watching videos, without encountering any noticeable heating issues. However, some heating might be observed when the battery is low. Even during live streaming, heating issues are not typically encountered. However, gaming performance needs to be tested to ascertain its capabilities in that aspect. In the game King of Glory, the Honor X9B achieves an average frame rate of 59 to 60 frames per second, with stable performance at 60 frames per second. The power consumption during the game remains around 4 to 5%. While playing, there's a slight heat sensation felt in the center area of the phone, but compared to other phones in this segment, the heat generated is relatively low. There's hope that this game will support 90 frames per second in the future. Overall, the Honor X9B delivers good performance in daily use and casual gaming sessions. Talking about the battery in the Honor X9B, it boasts a huge 5,800 mAh battery capacity. With average use, the battery easily lasts for 2 days on a single charge. However, one disappointing aspect is the phone's 35W charging support, which means it takes at least 1 hour and 30 minutes to charge the battery from 0 to 100%. Moving on to the camera setup, the Honor X9B features a rear-facing triple camera setup. The main camera is a whopping 108 megapixels, accompanied by a 5-megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 2-megapixel macro camera. On the front, you'll find a 16-megapixel selfie camera. You can check out sample photos to see the camera's capabilities. Speaking of the operating system, the Honor X9B runs on Magic OS 7.2, which is based on Android 13. This ensures a smooth user experience with minimal lag. However, there are some disadvantages to note. The phone lacks NFC support, does not feature an X-axis linear motor, and comes with a single speaker setup. The price of the Honor X9B starts at around £290 in the UK, which approximately $380 in US dollars. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comment section below if you have any questions. Also give this video thumbs up, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.